Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Huawei Nova 11. To do this, we'll need to open our app gallery. And right here in the top search, find Firefox. And sadly, it's not available on AppGallery and we'll need to download it from a third-party website. Now scroll down and select this specific version. Then click on the download on the bottom. Now you can check the progress right here. When it's ready, click on the app file, and here we want to allow to install this app and then select the install button. Here's the setup, so choose your favorite theme, then pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.